Hey Nash, what should we make?
While I was doing research for the show, I found this recipe with a cool story called Flying Jacob Chicken. It looks a little odd, but we should give it a shot.
All right, let's make Flying Jacob's Chicken. Today, we're making Flying Jacob Chicken. So this is a recipe I saw. It's a little weird. I don't know how it's going to turn out, but it had kind of a cool story. Back in 1976 in Sweden, there was this dude named Ove or something Jacobson, and he had to bring a dish to a neighborhood like potluck kind of deal. So he took everything he had, spices and stuff, in his fridge in his pantry, put it all together, and he came out with this dish. So he brought it. Everybody loved it so much. One of the guys in the neighborhood just happened to work for this big food magazine in Sweden. So that year they published the recipe, and because Jacobson was an air traffic guy or air freight guy, they called it Flying Jacob Chicken. So I don't know how this is going to turn out, but we'll find out together. Without further ado, let's go. So first thing we do is we start off with a couple pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and we're going to cut these into about 6 pieces each. So roughly you end up with kind of like 1-inch cube-ish pieces. Then we're gonna throw our chicken into our crock pot. Stir that around a little bit. We give it a healthy pinch of some kosher salt and some black pepper. A good amount of some chili garlic sauce or whatever chili sauce you have. Some chopped up bacon. Already cooked it earlier. Some curry powder. A couple tablespoons of apricot preserves. I know, I told you this is the stuff he had. It's a weird recipe, but sweet, spicy, salty, it might work. Some red pepper flakes. Then we just sort of stir this around a little bit. Cover this up, put it on low, and we're gonna let it go for, it says 2 hours, so I'm gonna check it. I'll check it in probably half that, and we'll see what it looks like. But say some prayers. Let's hope this tastes good. All right, see you in a few. Once your chicken's cooked, we add a little bit of heavy cream and some crushed peanuts. Stir that in. Let it cool, then we're ready to plate. And there we have our Flying Jacob Chicken. It's almost kind of like oddly like a curry. So this would be great probably over rice or whatever you want. Time for a bite. Cheers. Surprisingly, it works. I didn't know if it would or not, but a little bit reminiscent of a curry, but you know, you got your spicy, savory, a little bit sweet, creamy. It's actually pretty good. Give it a try. But hey, let's see what Nash thinks. Hey bud, look what we got. We got this Flying Jacob Chicken that, well, neither of us were sure if it was gonna work, but you're drooling, so hey, here you go. What do you think?
Apparently, Swedish Curry is pretty darn good.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
If you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together.
Nice. Nash approves. I approve. Surprisingly good. But hey, thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate you. Love you all. If you wouldn't mind taking a second to go like, share, and subscribe, that would mean a lot. If you want notifications every time we drop a new video, go ahead and hit that notification bell. If there's anything you want me to make, you want me and Nash to taste, drop that in the comments or head over to the website, timschaoskitchen.com. Send us a message there. And hey, just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Till next time, peace.